Hello all traders. Today is Monday, 16th of December 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures or DAX CFDs. If we look at the 1-hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day close and started to go sharply up during the London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price is going up on Nasdaq and S&P 500, but have a pullback on Dow Jones. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price reach this area of support and have a deep pullback and the buyers come back, or if it breaks this level and stay in an uptrend channel, we will take long positions repeatedly. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back and finished trading, and because the live recording was slowing down the system to have both NinjaTrader and MetaTrader, so I just show you the trade that I have taken today on the Apex Trader funding accounts using futures contracts. You see the market on Nasdaq was very bullish, so I took several long positions with setup T repeatedly, and you can see the entry and exits here. And on Dow Jones was going down and tested this level, so I took some long positions here when was testing the support level. And all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And as you see, we are positive on this account with profit factor that is shown as 99, but is infinite because we had 100% win rate from 7 position, 6 long position, and 1 sell short position. We can see that the average winning trades were $133, and the largest winning trade was $420. So let's look at the trades that we have taken using MetaTrader on CFD prop firm accounts, and as you see the entry and exit here. The same position also was taken on Nasdaq, which was trendy with setup T, and also in this area on Dow Jones that was going up. We took several long positions with setup B and C repeatedly. And on DAX, we took only one long position with setup C when the price reached this area. So if we look at the stats of all these trades, we can see that the equity curve is growing consistently and $80 positive. And you can see that now the profit factor improved to 1.58. And if we look at the equity curve that is growing, you can see that we don't have much drawdown, and our drawdown is below 1%. And that is very important to keep the drawdown below the 5% daily loss imposed by the prop firm. So I hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for scalping on future contracts and also CFDs are useful for you. And let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.